Hello everyone, I am going to explain our embedded systems project Sound Follower Robot. This is the rough illustration of how we detected the direction of incoming sound waves. As you can see, we have got 3 microphones. Initially we thought of using 2 microphones that can get the job done, but the dilemma was that the direction of incoming sound waves was detected, but we could not find out whether the direction was coming from one side of the robot or the other side. As you can see here, if the sound source is here, then we can find that the angle of the incoming sound waves is here. But what if the sound source instead of here was on the opposite side? So we can get the same angle at the opposite side also. So we used a third microphone to confirm that the sound source was here, and if it was on the other end of the line, then we would have a different reading on this microphone. This way we confirm the direction of incoming sound waves. Now let's move to the block diagram of the whole system. We have used 7.2 volt supply battery with high ampere rating to drive the motors as our main power supply in the system. We have used Arduino Uno as our controller board, and it runs on 5 volt power supply. So we have used a 7805 voltage regulator IC with it. We have used microphone sensors that also run on 5 volt power supplies. So IC 7805 serves as a power supply for both controllers and the sensor triangle that we described earlier. We have used IC L293D motor driver IC to drive the motors that are used for our robot. Now this picture shows the actual hardware of our working model, of which we will be showing a demonstration clip following this explanation. Let's now see the hardware that we had prepared. As of now, we had removed the battery power supply and the controller board Arduino, but I will virtually explain their role in the system here. We have the sensor triangle on the top of the box here, isolated from the rest of the system to get clean and accurate notations of sound waves. Now let's see in the box. We have the modules that we made ourselves attached in the box. Now Arduino Uno was used as a controller and it was kept outside here, and all the connectors from various modules are extended to the board like this. This is from the motor driver IC that drives the motors. These 4 wires are from the 2 motors used in the project. These 3 wires are the sensor outputs, 2 of which served as interrupts for the Arduino controller, and 1 was the regular digital read. Now the frontline sensors in the top of the box, these served as interrupts for accurate determination of the time difference that helped us on determining the angle, and the back sensor helps in the direction of determining the incoming sound waves. As you can see, we have divided the area around the bot into 8 zones, and the robot will follow the zone in which the sound direction exists. Now following this explanation, you will see the demo clip of the working of our system. Thank you.
स्पेशली ये यूपी में क्या है इसको याद है मेरे तो कभी नहीं हुआ